for over 8 years, my brake rotors have shook like this. And I think today we're gonna fix that. My wheel has been shaking like crazy for 8 years. I've owned this car for 8 years, and for some reason, I have never done the front brake rotors. I've always been obsessed with doing the fun stuff, leaving, you know, the important stuff behind, and I'm finally at that age in my life where brakes are super important. These brake rotors have been on this car for even longer than I've owned it. I mean, you guys can even see the lip, and I mean, these have definitely been machined before. So we're gonna put some fresh rotors on here. Hopefully these pads are brand new. Hopefully they didn't get too messed up from the warped rotors. I mean, the back ones I think are a little bit newer, but these also, you know, are gonna be a little cooked up as well. These don't have that much of a lip on them. These, I mean, so we're gonna go ahead and swap these out, see how they look, and I wanna see the damage that we've done to the front brake pad. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do a brake service on the Mazda 3. Also at Scaled Supply, we only have 4 Mazda 3 shirts left. It's a new way to support the channel, and I won't be restocking these. So if you want to get your hands on one of them, act quick. Pads look flat-ish. Also haven't put too many K on these, so they shouldn't be too bad. Still very lubed up, so yeah, I mean, not a lot of K on these at all. You guys can see a little bit closer here. This will look pretty flat. Obviously you can't see like minuscule unevening, but I don't think these will be too badly damaged. Love how everything just comes off. Yeah, these are, wow, these are no bueno. So yeah, just having a look at these, like I said, you can totally see this lip, and like I said, these have been machined before. Like, I could stick my nail in there. That's pretty harsh. The backside's even worse. I mean, these are so old. You can just see these have been like 100 plus K for sure. Maybe like 150K, 150 plus K, maybe close to 200K. I'm not sure, but no more. I'm gonna be running these Centric blanks. Centric's just known to provide a good blank. I think these are rust proof. I mean, rotors are rotors, but I'd rather go with a decent brand that is trusted, especially for the fronts are beautiful compared to our old ones. Like, just so much nicer. Oh, there we go. First rotor is in, looking beautiful. Caliper, not so nice, but we got new rotors, finally. 8 whole years. Now, my last knowledge of the rears was back in 2019. 2018? 2019, I think. I think the rears were new in 2019. They're either new or they got resurfaced. And that goes for the pads too. I don't think the pads are new. Yeah, the pads are actually a little low in the back, surprisingly. They shouldn't be that low, should they? A little uneven, but I mean, there's still a lot of life on them. They won't go anytime soon. That's pretty intense. Oh, they still came off my hand. That's crazy. Crusty? Yeah, probably still be used. You never feel these back ones anyway. All these do for me is just hold the car when it's sitting. Our front and rears are done on the driver's side. We're gonna go ahead and move over to the passenger side, quickly whip these out. Our brakes are now complete, which means I'm gonna go ahead and bleed all 4 corners, get some new fluid in there. It'll be nice. Brake flush. Pedal should feel good now as well. And we should have a new and improved brake system in the Mazda 3. Let's go ahead and get that done. I think my least favorite thing about low cars is having to use blocks even though you already have a low pro jack. I would definitely start an argument to say that's when cars become too low. With that being said, we are officially on the ground. Let's go ahead, fire this thing up, and see how she goes. Oh yeah, okay. They feel like they did before, which is good. I think I got some, like a couple bubbles out of them, so that's all good. I can't tell you guys how funny this feels. having like a solid brake pedal now. I've tested it out so far, like everything feels good. When I hit the brakes, it doesn't like shake or like pulsate like it did. Like when I tell you how bad the other ones were, like they were bad. So like now coming to a stop, like it's just a smooth pedal. I don't want to say it wouldn't stop, but like it got scary sometimes. Just what I'm trying to tell you guys is do your brake, especially Rotors are so cheap. You don't think they're cheap, but they're like $100 for even like a decent length. Brakes feel good. Stop nice. They feel reliable. After driving like Mazda speeds and everything, I've definitely become very passionate about brakes. The big brakes on the Mazda Speed 3 versus like the Mazda 3, there's a world of a difference. That's why I always say, like, if you can do the Mazda Speed 3 big brake hit on the regular Mazda 3, you have to do it. Like, it's just makes you feel so much more confident. So that was a success. Well, I ended this at the perfect time because it's starting to rain now. I also washed the MX-3 for the first time and it doesn't really look any different. Race car status, you tell me. With that being said, guys, today's message is don't sleep on your brakes. Spend a little bit extra and prioritize them, because nothing makes a driver more confident than being able to stop. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and comment down below what kind of brakes you have in your Mazda 3s. Other than that, guys, thank you so much. Keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.